Hello, Jacob here. Just got back from Sound of USD tour, which was a lot of fun, and I have a lot of stuff to show you today. Also, pardon my voice, well, 3 days of yelling, cheering, screaming, all that stuff, so bear with me for this one, but there is a lot of stuff to show. I have some jerseys that I purchased, I have some hats, I have some t-shirts, I have a car. I pretty much bought everything that I normally collect. And so, guess without further ado, let's go ahead and show off the stuff that I got. Starting with my hats. Well, the first hat that I picked up, got this and another one at Champs in Topeka, Kansas. This is a Mitchell & Ness Chicago Bulls sort of fashion snapback. As you can see here, the gray or the white Bull logo, Chicago font underneath, black snaps, white Mitchell & Ness on the back. The inside, made in Bangladesh. That's kind of more like a streetwear type hat, not necessarily like a jersey hat, but I still thought it was awesome. And also, got an OKC interesting style brim. I don't know exactly what kind of a brim this is, but it's like a plastic feeling. And yeah, OKC Thunder hat, Mitchell & Ness as well. Tag's still on since I haven't worn it yet. Orange snaps, black Mitchell & Ness. Underneath of the hat, all that stuff. And this is also made in Bangladesh. So that concludes the hat pickups. Now onto the t-shirt pickups. Well, for sure, got both of these at Hot Topic. Got a Red Hot Chili Peppers t-shirt and a Linkin Park t-shirt. Two of my favorite bands, I'd have to say. And again, got these both in a 2XL. So, and now onto my car. Found this in Hot Topic of all places as well. Supernatural. It's a green light Hollywood edition, 1/64th scale of their 67 Chevy Impala sports sedan. Alright, and last but not least are the two jerseys, which I didn't buy on tour, but they were coming in the mail, and one of them took probably about a month. Shout out to Anthony Avilas, aka I believe he is POB1Fu on YouTube, but again, sorry about that if I'm not correct, but I'm pretty sure it's POB1Fu here on YouTube. This jersey, as I said, I've been waiting for about a month. You probably just saw it on his video if you're a Jersey head who's subscribed to him, but anyway. It is his, or now mine, I should say, starter Minnesota Vikings 69 sort of custom jersey, since I know that back in the day there was probably a couple of like linemen, but not like real big name players that wore 69 back in the day. And of course, now when you think of number 69 for the Vikings, you think of Jared Allen, but this was a little bit before. So, as you can see here, 69 double stitched NFL shield. This is a 95 made in El Salvador, size 52. This is a jock tag. Back of the jersey with no name on the nameplate, and 69 double stitched on the back. Sleeves, again double stitched. Starter logo and the Viking stitched with cuffed sleeves, as the Vikings wore back in the day. And finally, last but not least, I got another Mitchell and Ness jersey. And this one is of another Minnesota Viking. But this is a really special jersey because, well, again, it's the Minnesota Vikings. It's a football, and it's also a Pro Bowl jersey. Bam! That's right, ladies and gentlemen. This is a Chris Carter 1996 Pro Bowl Mitchell and Ness, made in El Salvador, size 52. And as you can see here, the NFL shield, the Mitchell and Ness here, made in El Salvador tag, the 81, which is triple stitched, blue on white on red, the Pro Bowl Hawaii 1996, the stars, and also right around here somewhere, the NFL or NFC patch, I should say, with the triple stitched 81 on the side, Carter single stitched on the back, and the triple stitched 81 on the back. So as you can see, got a lot of stuff over the last, since, well, Thursday. So until we meet again, this is Jacob, and have a good day, and we'll talk to you later. Again, shout outs to everyone who helped me out with this pickups and all that stuff, and who's still subscribing to me today, as finally I can do more Vikings related videos since the season is now underway, as well as I do have some more pickups in the works as well. And stay tuned and have a good day.